power to conquer, wasted on the addiction to comfort. This is our school, Sri Santinamana Secondary School, which is in Tilottama 5, Manigram, Rupandehi. This is the SQC activities which have been happening in our school. The total number of SQCians are more than 200 and the total number of circles are 22. Our master trainer is Prakash Tapagai sir and we are from Siddharth Hub. This is our circle information. Our circle name is Fortress Vanguard. It was formed in the 26th of Jest. The total members are 6. Meeting day is Tuesday and meeting location is on school library. Our facilitator name is Karishma Mishra ma'am and our master trainer is Prakash Tapagai sir and we are from Sri Santinamana Secondary School. This is the member introduction. Good morning everyone. It's me Suyas Powder as the leader of the circle.
Good morning everyone. Myself Pritika Shah as co-leader of the circle.
Good morning everyone. It's me Basanta Bandari as the secretary of the circle.
Good morning everyone. It's me Juni Thakur as a member of the circle.
Good morning everyone. It's me Satyaka as a member from the circle.
Good morning everyone. It's me Dipesh Basal as a member of the circle.
This is our group photo which you can observe in the slide. This is our logo. This is the logo definition. The shield represents our reliability. The crack shows our experience on through challenges. The energy line reflects our passion and enjoyment in what we do. Together, it defines our passion and enjoyment towards our work. This is the objective of our circle. Our objective is to develop elite problem-solving skills to conquer any challenge. Enjoy going into the depth of any problem. Unit like a force, strengthen collaboration and teamwork for unstoppable synergy. Build unshakable self-confidence and unstoppable motivation. Now next, Christina.
So these are our QC tools which are brainstorming, Ishikawa diagram, 5-1H and others you can observe in the slide. So these are our QC techniques which are make slogan, ask question, conduct random survey and motivating everyone to boost up productivity. So this is our milestone chart where we formed our circle on Jeshta. We started our brainstorming during Asar and our problem selection was during Shravan. And others you can observe in the slide. So these are our problems that we found after brainstorming, which are bullying, intake of junk food, heavy backpack, poor handwriting, mass phobia and others you can observe in the slide. So this is the same slide of problems that we found after brainstorming, which also you can observe in the slide. So these are the classification of our problems, which are categorized into 3, which are solvable, semi-solvable and unsolvable. In which solvable has mass phobia, poor handwriting, intake of junk food, and on semi-solvable, which they are backbiting, rough word, and others you can observe in the slide. And on unsolvable, they are climate change, natural disasters, short-term memory, and others you can observe in the slide. So this is our next slide of classification of problem, where solvable contains procrastination, poor organization, multitasking, and semi-solvable contains burnout, low self-esteem, vulgar speech, and on unsolvable, sleep deprivation, stress and anxiety, and health problems. So this is the voting in members on selection of major problems, where matrix addition got the most vote, which points as 49 as total. Now next to Basanta.
So this is our Eisenhower matrix in which we divide our main problems into 4 categories, including important and urgent, important but not urgent, not important but urgent, and not important and not urgent. So this is our fair ranking in which every member of our circle gets to vote on every single problem. So this is our Pareto matrix of our 5 major problems. This is the Pareto diagram based on the Pareto matrix shown before. We have chosen matrix addition as our main problem from these 5. After survey, brainstorming and voting, we finalized that our main problem is
Matrix addition.
Matrix addiction, the digital feast that hijacks your thoughts, grounds your will, and turns you into a slave to your screen. Simply, it is digital addiction, but we have focused on productivity rather than screen time. So So these are our main causes of matrix addiction, including endless scroll, digital FOMO, instant hits, peer pressure, info overload, and escapism. Now next is
These are some pictures to the survey, or you can observe the slide. So this is survey data voting of students in major problem. We had done survey in grade 8I, 7A and 8A. Some problems. Mass program matrix addiction bullying. Class matrix addiction has got highest vote. So this is sample question. Do you scroll like a snack or strategize like a king? Are you consuming distraction or creating assets? So this is initial data. Which students are suffering from matrix addiction is 73% and unsuffering 27%. This is our target setup. After the survey and after finalizing, our main problem we observed that 73% of students are suffering from matrix addiction, so we thought to decrease it by 65% from 73% to 8%. Now next is Sarah.
So this is our Ishikawa diagram, also known as fishbone diagram, where we have divided our major cause into 4 different parts. They are home, society, school, and self. On the self side, the causes are mental exhaustion and overload, escapism, digital comparison, digital FOMO, algorithmic manipulation, and low productivity. Next to this.
So these are reflection of major causes based on mental action and overload, consuming low productivity, digital FOMO, escapism, or you can observe in the slide.
This is our YY analysis on low productivity.
Why?
Sorry, I was just observing the whole slide because it was in different words due to some technical issues. So this is the YY analysis on low productivity.
Why?
Procrastination,
Why?
distractions,
Why?
chasing fake dopamine,
Why?
social isolation. Now next to Kritika Shah.
So this is our YY analysis of mental exhaustion and overload.
why,
Time chaos. Why? No control. Why? Routine break. Why? Idle drift. Now next to Basanta.
so this is our YY analysis of constant comparison,
Why?
low self-esteem,
Why?
unrealistic standard,
Why?
reality distortion,
Why?
big comparison. Now next is Rita.
This is our YY analysis algorithm manipulation.
Why?
Engagement engine. Why? Book training. Why? Attention profits. Fake productivity. Next is cycle.
This is why we analysis on escapism,
Why?
digital escape,
Why?
instant relief,
Why?
time drift,
Why?
Why?
routine void. Next to this.
So this is our YY analysis based on digital FOMO.
Why?
Offline anxiety.
Why?
After FOMO.
Why?
Digital dependence.
Why?
Blood limits.
So these are the selection of root causes which we found after YY analysis, which you can observe from the slide. So we did voting in root causes to find one major root cause, which you can observe in the slide. This is the Pareto matrix of root causes, which you can observe in the slide. So this is the Pareto diagram of root causes, in which we used 80-20 rule. So next to Kritika Shah.
Thank you. So these are survey results that after member voting and finalizing everything, we found out that our main root cause is social isolation. Now next to Basanta.
So this is our PDCA cycle on social isolation.
Plan.
Help students take control of their time.
Do.
Conducting programs about matrix addiction.
Check.
By looking at the digital well-being of students.
Act.
Conducting awareness program about matrix addiction. This is a 5W manage diagram on
What?
What?
social isolation.
Why?
Why?
Students understand students best.
Where?
At home and school.
When?
Anytime.
Whom?
Students.
How?
One-on-one mentoring and awareness programs. Now next to G.
Thank you. This is our implementation. So after discussing with circles member, we finalized to conduct awareness program, motivational classes, slogan saying speech competition as an implementation which helps to implement the productivity of students. Next is circle guidance.
Now these are the some things during our implementation which you can observe from the slide. Now this is the glimpse during one-on-one guidance. This is given to the students who were highly addicted to matrix addiction. Now this is our final data which you can observe from the slide.
So it is the data conversion between initial data and final data. Initial data and final data that you can observe on the slide. So it is strategy diagram. Strategy is to help students understand the effect of addiction. Tactic is to encourage everyone to use apps like well-being, digital well-being, iOS. Action is to at home school, reduce screen addiction and improve focus health.
So this is our strategy. At the meeting, we decided to ask students who own the personal mobile phone to share their digital well-being report. Many of the students share theirs, and we saw one student who was very highly addicted to matrix addiction. So we just compared the first day, the day first of digital well-being and the 30th day of digital well-being, which will be shown in the next slide. So this is the change in productivity. What we did is we did not focus on the screen time. What we did is we focus on the productivity. As you can see on the first picture, the highest number of screen time has got to be in the entertainment, but the students showed significant improvement and change entertainment side into the productivity and finance side. Data analysis. At first, while setting target, we thought to decrease matrix addiction of students by 65% from 73% to 8%. After the great effort and unity of our members, we are able to decrease it about 65% from 73% to 8%. Conclusion. After the great effort and unity, we found the main problem as matrix addiction and become successful to minimize it. Obstacle we faced. We missed our daily classes, a lack of cooperation from parents, pressure of notes, problem while managing the time, a lack of cooperation from teachers. Benefits from our case study. Explored our hidden talent, developed the skills of communication, we learned to face problems, developed unity and creativity. Future plan. We will continue projects in upcoming days in future with different problems involving new students. We will organize similar programs to reduce the problems of students. We will be there in programs of SQC to represent our school and nation in upcoming days. Acknowledgement. At last, we would like to thank Siddharth Hub and SQC coordinators to provide such a big platform. Also thank our master trainer Prakash Sabagai sir, our facilitator Goma Thapa ma'am and Karishma Mishra ma'am, our school, family members and circle members who directly and indirectly supported us while preparing this presentation. And last, we would like to thank everyone who is listening carefully here. Any queries?
In your presentation, I saw word defidation, I guess. What does that mean?
In which slide? Which slide?
I guess I saw that in fishbowl diagram.
Where it is?
Can you please zoom? It was somewhere, I saw it. I don't actually remember where I saw it, but DEPIRAPIA. It is mentioned in your slide.
If you mentioned where is what, where it was, I would be able to clearly explain it. Dissort or what?
Huh?
Dissort.
No.
Okay, any other queries?
So my question is, what is Adelbrecht and how it is related with matrix addiction?
Can you please repeat the question?
What is Adelbrecht and how it is related with matrix addiction?
I do.
Okay, idle drift is when we make a routine and we try to escape it from just little changes. For like I am making a routine by saying that I will research in my upcoming business, and what I am doing is I am taking some time to entertain my brain, chasing fake dopamine, which leads in significant change in long term.
For this camera, the light is new. There are some things for improvement. First, position. Okay, you are not on your proper position. Somewhere here you are looking well. Okay, so there are lack of eye contact. Both people are looking to each other, and while other was saying, other members were looking to laptop or slacks. Okay, you must face to the mask. Okay, and then we have shown bar graph in return. So it will be better to make it bar graph. We have set target written in the voice sentence. So it will be better to make it in bar graph. Okay, showing in bar graph will be better. Activities were not clear. When you have shown 2 activities in the picture, but they were not written what you want to show. In what you want to show in first picture?
The first picture was about awareness.
What?
We did awareness program on the effects of matrix addiction, and we told how to really use digital things which will help in sustainable future.
So you have only conducted 2 programs.
Yes.
And in 2 programs you have solved your problem. You want to say?
We are not 100% solved this problem. As this problem cannot be solved in only one case study, we will be continuing this project in upcoming days also.
From my side.
Extra who made this slide?
Everyone.
Collaboration, teamwork.
Yeah.
Very good. Right. Next, this one diagram.
Yes.
You are written your main problem in bone.
Yeah.
This
So,
one.
this one diagram always follows in it. Cause you know this is the cause and effect diagram. Don't try here. Yet problem जति चाहिँ टाउकोमा आउनु हो नि के कारणले हो भनेर पठाइदिनु न किनभने त्यो चाहिँ त्यहाँ राख्यो टेक्निकली केही एरर भयो होला त्यो हेर्नै राख्नु प्रब्लम कहाँ छ समस्या कहाँ आयो त्यति नै है त्यति नै एउटा त्यहाँ थियो अरू त अझै धेरै कुरा भनिरहेको छ धेरै धेरै स्लाइडमा कम्प्लेन गर्ने ओभरअल प्रेजेन्टेसन ठिक छ हामीले अघि भन्ने कुरा भन्नुभयो बुझिहाल्नु ओभरअल राइट थ्याङ्क यू सो मच केटी
Together we can.
Together we can.